Hey y'all, it's Janay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with another tutorial, and today we are going to be working on pole dance exercises that can help you build your upper body strength. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kelsey. I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor, and here on my YouTube channel I talk about all things pole. I give you guys tips, tricks, tutorials, and pretty much whatever else I feel like. But today, sis, we're doing some pole conditioning. Okay, we are working out our muscles. All right, we're going to do some toning because everybody always asks me, this is the #1 comment question I get, is how can I build upper body strength for pole dancing? Sis, just do it. I mean, like, that's literally the answer. One of the biggest misconceptions about pole dancing is that you need to have pre-existing upper body strength to be able to do it, and that is completely 100% false. Okay, you do not need any upper body strength to start pole dancing. This is the analogy I love to use. When you go to the gym and your goal is to get fit and to work out and to exercise, you go into the gym and you've never stepped foot in a gym before, but you're like, I'm gonna go to the gym because I want to get in shape and I want to work on this, I want to work on that. You go to the gym, there's a bunch of machines that you can use, there's a bunch of equipment that you can use, and all you do is use those machines, use those equipment to do the same exercises over and over again to achieve the results that you want. The same can be said about pole dancing. Okay, the pole is a machine. It's a piece of equipment that you can use to work out, to exercise, to build your upper body strength, to reach your desired goals, and you don't need to have any prior experience to do that. So don't feel like you need to have your body a certain way just to start pole dancing. All you really need to do is just to start. So yes, we are going to be getting into some exercises today. We're going to get into some conditioning today, some toning, sis, because hot girl summer is right around the corner. So we need to get our body snatched, sis. Okay, so that is what we're going to be working on. Now, before we get into this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed, okay, because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected, and so you can see all of my pole dancing videos because they're all on Instagram. So if you'd rather see me dance instead of talk, then you might as well just go follow me on there. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into these exercises. So the first workout we're gonna do is the forearm push-up. So I'm starting with 4 regular push-ups, and then once I do all 4 of those, I'm gonna come down on my forearms, come back up on my hands, and I'm gonna do that 4 times. This is a great push-up variation because it really engages those muscles even more, and I like to do 2 sets of 8. So I do 4 regular push-ups, 4 forearm push-ups, and then I repeat the sequence again. Now with these exercises, you don't have to do all of them, or you don't have to do the same number of sets as me. Do as many as is comfortable for you. The next exercise I'm doing are standing climb squats. Now, if you don't know how to do a basic climb, I will leave a link to my climb video right here. But basically, I'm getting in a climb position and then I'm doing squats on the pole. Now, although this is an upper body workout video, this exercise also helps with engaging your abs, your glutes, and your hips and thighs as well, because that is what's helping you do those squats. So I like to do 16 of these on each side. And if you start sliding down the pole a little bit, and you'll see when I switch to the other side, I actually just scoot back up the pole. I drag my knees up the pole so I can stay on, because you never want to touch the ground. So just make sure if you start sliding down, it's okay. Just drag your knees up the pole to move your body up and continue doing your squats. For the next few exercises, I'm going to need some grip. So I'm taking my dry hands and I'm going to put it on my hands and behind my knees, because we're going to do some side crunches on the pole. If you need some grip, I will leave it linked down below. You can get it from Amazon. But basically, I'm hooking my knee on the pole and then I'm doing crunches to the side. So this is a great ab workout. I love doing it because it really engages that core, those obliques, and tones those muscles. But it also helps with balance as well. And for this workout, I like to do 16 crunches on each side. Now getting into a more intense exercise, we're gonna be doing some pull-ups. So I get the pull in my armpit, get my hips in front of the pole, and then I pull down and bring my knees to my chest. And you guys, this one is really gonna kick your ass, but trust me, it is so good for you, especially when it comes to preparing for your inverts. This one is gonna help make those muscles super strong so you can do your inverts with ease. Now I like to do 8 on each side, but even that's a little bit difficult for me. So if you can't do all 8, that's perfectly fine. And if you can do more than 8, that's great. But I love doing this because it really engages that core, those arms, to help get your inverts right. And last but not least, we are going to be doing our fan kick hold. So I get the pull in my armpit and I kick up into my fan kick and I hold it in the center for 8 counts. This one is another intense one, you guys, but trust me, it is going to get that core right and just help when you start going into your inverts and deadlifting and doing all of those things. It is so, so good for you. So it's going to hurt, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be a little bit painful, but it's totally worth it once you start building that strength. So again, I'm doing it on the other side, holding for 8 counts. And if you start sliding, that's fine. Just keep holding on as long as you can. But as you can see, I'm done and this workout is a wrap. Alright you guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. Also make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.